Hey, it's Dr. Nicole Freels here, and I know you are searching and looking for a solution on how to take care of your heel pain at home. Well, I'm here to help you with that. First off, identify the location. Is it on the back of the heel, the bottom of the heel, or into the arch of the heel, and possibly even coming up the inside of the arch? There are many different structures that are crossing in these areas. So the first thing you can do at home for all this stuff, number one, throw some ice on it. 15 minutes a day, a few times a day would be ideal. 15 minutes, 3 to 4 times a day would be ideal. Of course, if you can tolerate anti-inflammatories, very easy to do. One at night, just make sure you take some food with it. Any stomach irritation, just discontinue. Number 3, don't go barefoot. Quit going barefoot. This is a really big source of your issues right now. So simple thing, check your shoes. Number 4, move them, bend them. Are they soft and flexible? If that's the case, then you definitely need to be in a more structured shoe for whatever reason. So those 4 or 5 things alone are going to help you tremendously. Lastly, if this is not getting better, do not wait. It does not, you don't walk it off. So make sure you call us right away. We can get you back at it as soon as possible. Generally about 50% better within 10 days and 100% closer to 4 weeks. All right, guys, good luck. Call me when you need me.